Today we're taking a look at MoonShot, which is a new pump.fun competitor launched by Dexscreener themselves, and is pretty revolutionary when it comes to Solana meme coins for a few different reasons that I will show you very soon. People are making so much money from MoonShot right now, and it's definitely the new big trend in Solana meme coins. So if you get in early, you learn how to utilize it and how to benefit from it, you can certainly make a lot of money from MoonShot. So we're gonna go over exactly what it is, why it's so great, the best way to trade MoonShot tokens, and I'll also quickly show you how to launch your own token, just to show you the process of how it works. Alright, so here we are on the MoonShot Twitter account. Launch, lock, earn. Why dump your bags when you can earn a lifetime fees instead? Launch a token on MoonShot, lock the liquidity with Meteora, and earn LP fees forever for the dev as well as the top 50 holders. And people are literally earning thousands of dollars from it. Now this is a great example. The top 50 holders so far made over $114,000 in fees, and the dev made over $32,000 after $2.4 million in volume. That's an average over $2,000 per holder for the top 50 holders. So what exactly is it? How does it work? And how can you make fees as well? So as I said, it's a pump.fun competitor. You're most likely familiar with Dexscreener, where you can see all of the different meme coin charts, etc. Well, they just launched MoonShot, and this is what it looks like. So as you can tell, it has a pretty similar layout to pump.fun. You can see all the most trending tokens that launched on pump.fun. You can see the top tokens. So these are the tokens that are the closest to migrating over to Radium. You have rising as well as new pairs and finalized pairs. And if you click onto any of these tokens, you can obviously trade them directly from Dexscreener. You just need to connect your wallet, and then you can buy and sell directly on here. But there are better ways to do so using trading bots that I will show you very soon. But firstly, let's just take a look at exactly what MoonShot is. So on MoonShot, there's no pre-sale, no insiders, and a maximum supply of 1 billion. Ownership is automatically renounced and immutable. The smart contract is fully audited, and you can buy and sell at any time, and all liquidity is locked forever. So it's a lot harder for devs to rug projects launching on MoonShot because they can't just withdraw the liquidity. The only way they can really scam you is if they snipe a lot of their own supply at launch and then dump on all the holders later on. But realistically, tokens launching on MoonShot are a lot safer than the ones on pump.fun or somewhere else. So similar to pump.fun, there is a bonding curve. So once the market cap reaches 432 Solana, which right now is approximately $63,000, all remaining tokens and liquidity migrate to Meteora or Radium. And if they launch on Meteora, they can earn LP rewards for life. All liquidity is locked forever. And with free enhanced token info, it gives all MoonShot tokens the best chance to trend on Dexscreener. So how do these fees work? So basically, when a token successfully migrates to Meteora, we lock 20% of the LP tokens to the creator, 10% to MoonShot, and 70% to the top 50 holders at the point of migration via Meteora's meme coin pool. This means the creator and early backers earn lifetime fees via a simple claim on the Meteora app, aligning incentives for long-term success. So if you're a top 50 holder of a coin at the point of migration over to Meteora, you earn lifetime fees from that token. So imagine getting in early on the next $1 billion token. You will most likely earn tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars in fees alone, obviously on top of your normal returns. And then if you want to claim these fees, you just click claim on Dexscreener and you get brought over to the Meteora website, and you can claim the fees right there. For example, the dev token that ChartFreeMonkey launched on MoonShot has reached a market cap of $20 million and so far has distributed over $500,000 to liquidity providers or the top 50 holders. So that means almost $10,000 per holder. So why is Meteora and MoonShot the next big thing? Basically, it's the same cost of deployment as pump.fun. The Dex update is free. Normally it would cost money. You would have to pay Dexscreener to update the information of your token. You get better trending. Dev has an incentive to keep working because they make all of these fees from the LP, and top 50 holders have a huge incentive to keep pushing and promoting the tokens because they also earn fees based on the volume of the token. And just to show you how popular MoonShot is getting right now, this is a comparison of coins launched per day on MoonShot and pump.fun. So you have pump.fun in orange and MoonShot in purple or dark blue, and you can see that pump.fun obviously has had the monopoly in the space for a long time, but recently, just the last couple of days, MoonShot has absolutely exploded and it's about to overtake pump.fun. Yesterday we saw 4,400 tokens launch on MoonShot and 5,200 launch on pump.fun, and you can see that the pump.fun trend is going down. MoonShot is exploding, so there's so much opportunity on MoonShot right now. Now, the best way to trade Moonshot tokens is obviously to use some sort of trading bot. My favorite is still Bullx, is by far the best trading bot out there on the market in my opinion. If you go to pump.fun, they have Moonshot tokens right here. So if you go to the filter, you can remove pump.fun tokens, click apply, and then it will only show you Moonshot tokens. So these are the new creations. Here you have the ones about to migrate. You can remove pump.fun tokens here as well. Do the same for the ones that just migrated, and you will only see Moonshot tokens instead of pump.fun. And you can easily trade on the Bullx platform. I'm sure you're familiar with it. If you're not, I have made a complete tutorial on how to use Bullx. But basically, if you're not using it yet, I highly recommend it, and you can get 10% less fees by using my link down below, as well as get early access to new features that they release. Because in Bullx's most recent update that they announced on September 11th, just a few days ago, they announced that they will enhance the Moonshot trading support, and they will also do Meteora, DYN, and DLMM protocol support. And this will make trading Moonshot tokens on Bullx a lot easier and a lot better, and will make it by far the best place to trade Moonshot tokens. And they also have Bullx NEO, which is the V2 version of the entire platform, which also is going to be pretty crazy with over 30 new critical features. So if you want to join the waitlist and get early access as soon as this launches, you can also use my link down below, because I am an official Bullx partner. So if you enjoyed the video and want to support me as well, I would highly appreciate it if you used that link. But now, how can you actually launch a token on Moonshot? How does it work? Basically, you just click launch your token right here. Make sure you choose Meteora, because this is the next big thing. And as you can see, if you choose Radium, you get no LP rewards, but if you choose Meteora, you earn lifetime rewards of 20% for the dev or the creator and 70% for top 50 holders, which will just incentivize everyone to keep pushing your project. And this is the new revolutionary feature that has made Twitter go absolutely nuts, and that has made meme coin volume on Solana absolutely explode again. So basically, make sure you click that. You can have your token symbol. Let's go how to. Token name. Let's go with how to make meme coin. Description, let's just write how to. Then you need to upload your icon and banner. Make sure you have created your website, your Twitter, your Telegram, your Discord, etc. before you launch, so that you can add all of the links in here. And then you choose how much of your own supply you want to buy right away. Let's go with 5 Sol. You can see that the supply is going to be 1 billion, and with 5 Sol you will be buying 150 million tokens, so you will basically have 15% of your own supply. Then just connect the wallet and launch. It's super cheap, super easy. So that's essentially everything you need to know about Moonshot and how it works and how you can utilize it and benefit from it. We're currently seeing millions of dollars rotate into Moonshot tokens, and for good reason, because if you do pick the right meme coin, get in early, become a top 50 holder of a small token at the time of migration over to Meteora, and that ends up becoming the next billion-dollar meme coin, you will be making so much money. And it's just something we haven't seen in the meme coin space before, so it's super exciting. A lot of people over on Twitter is getting excited about it. We're seeing millions of dollars, as I said, of volume flowing back into meme coins, and this could very well be the start of the next massive Solana meme coin bull run. So with that said, let me know what you think of Moonshot. Have you been trading Moonshot tokens yet? Let me know down below in the comment section. Do you think this will be the next big thing? I certainly think so. We're already seeing it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash a like and subscribe to my channel. If you want to trade Moonshot tokens, make sure you sign up to Bullx using my link down below. Let me know what video you'd like me to make next. Also, a huge shout out to Altcoinist, who recently launched their SocialFi platform, allowing creators like myself to access on-chain subscriptions with revenue share for the community, and they will also introduce APY staking once their token launches. And if you utilize the platform now and subscribe to different creators, you can get access to their airdrop, which should be happening in the next few months. I am super bullish on this platform as a whole. So if you want access to my Telegram group where we discuss meme coins and everything crypto related, you can now do so by accessing my profile and subscribing on chain to my Telegram group. So I will leave that link down below. Definitely make sure to check out their platform at least, even if you don't want to subscribe to me. With that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.